All right, guys. So this is Joseph once again. If you are stumbling on my YouTube page for the very first time, or kindly like, share, and subscribe. All right, so you get notified each time I get to post a banger. So today I'll be showing you two sites where you can easily make your £5. All right. So these sites are not new sites. They've been there for a very long time. They're not new. They've been here. But it's something I would like to tell a lot of you, and that is how this service site work is that when they experience a lot of influx. What do I mean by influx? When they experience too many persons trying to have an account at the same time, like so many registration, more than the number their theme can handle, right? You discover that there will be lots of issues at that point in time. There will be a lot of withdrawal declination, and then there will be fewer survey at that point in time. So what usually happens there, people would experience lots of account banning, lots of withdraw rewards, recollection or cancellation. Yes, lots of reward cancellation. So the best thing to do at that point in time, when you're working on any service site and you discover that you get the withdrawal but they don't pay out, give it some time. It simply means that they've experienced heavy load of sign-ups or withdrawal. That's the reason for their action. That's the reason for why they are canceling a lot of all those withdrawals. Sometimes you may not even do anything wrong, but they'll still cancel it. You know why? They have budget, right? They have what they pay out. They have by quarterly budget. They have monthly budget because they have to get paid from some of their partners, their researchers. They have to get paid so that before they have what they pay you out. So imagine in a week they plan to pay out $20 million, for example, in a week, and then there's so much sign up. People have answered and made more than that amount. How are they going to pay? So what I usually advise people is if you come on any platform and you discover lots of banning and reward cancellation, give that platform some time, allow it, give it some time, then come back later, come back another time when people are no more talking about it, all right, for a while. You're just going to observe that there'll be a balance in that system. You go in again and you'll be able to withdraw without issue. So I'll be showing you guys today, I'll be showing you guys a Hey Cash, and okay, let me just go Hey Cash. Sorry, not Hey Cash, Hey Piggy rather. Hey Piggy, Hey Piggy. Right, so I'll be showing you guys Hey Piggy, and okay. All right, so I just want to show you, for those that are new to it, it's actually not a new platform. It has been there for a very long time. So you're going to see that's how the logo looks like. It comes with a pig. It's almost like a pig. It looks like a pig and it has a red background. Then you launch it. So I am on my USA proxy now. I'm on my USA proxy. So um, most likely the account is going to appear a US account. It's going to appear a US account. Now, let me tell you two things here. Now, this is the very most important part. Now, I would recommend that if you're new to survey, I would recommend that you do a USA account. The reason why is because for USA account, there are lots of surveys and it is easier to reach your threshold on USA. That's one thing. But for UK, it is it's it's difficult to let me use the word difficult. The time it's going to take you to get to five USD on a US account, it's going to take you longer time to get to £5. All right. So for a new person, I'll just advise you to start with the USD instead of the pounds. But when you're getting strong, when you now understand how to answer survey questions, you've mastered it, then you can go to UK account. Okay. Aside from the UK account, there are other countries you could do. You could do Germany, you could do France, and the rest of all those places. You could, for this are now for people who are experienced. Now, this is something. There's a point here I want to make. This is the point. When you want to sign up, I would encourage you. I would encourage you not to sign up with Gmail, not to sign up with Gmail. The reason why I would say don't sign up with Gmail is because when you sign up with Gmail, when you come to withdraw, it usually would ask you for your name. So what if you use sign up with Gmail and whatever name is attached to your email, that is what will be reflected on the account. So when they now ask you for confirmation of your name and what you give them does not tally with what is associated with your Gmail, they'll cancel your reward. Okay. It will cancel your reward. So it is better that you just use sign up with email, put your email, and then if they ask you for your name at any point in time, manually impute your name. So when you impute your name, it is just going to be direct. It will be that hand now you don't put the name, you understand? Rather than go using Gmail directly, and Gmail will you give HeyPiggy access to your name and your age. Then when you come to withdraw, when they ask you for name, you don't give that same name. There'll be lots of conflict. So that's that about that. So don't make that mistake, okay? So and left for me. If you want to start, I think you should create a fresh neutral email, and just give it a a foreign name. Okay, I know you understand what I mean. Just give it a foreign name. Don't make the name look local. Like your just give it a foreign name. Yeah, so I'm not gonna stress that part. I'm not gonna say more about that. Then make your email address just look a bit foreign. All right. So that's that about that. So what else again? What else again? What else again? Then ensure you are using a good IP. Ensure you're using a good IP. I use Geonix, and I recommend Geonix a lot. Right. I use Geonix. I recommend Geonix a lot because it has great ISPs. All right. So you can go for Geonix. And what else again? Ensure that before you start, you change your fingerprint. Yeah, so that's why most times I try to use Mozilla, because Mozilla gives you the opportunity the opportunity to change your fingerprint if you're using phone, if you're using web. It gives you an opportunity to change your fingerprint and do other tweaking you want to do. So if you don't know how to change your fingerprints, just check my previous videos on my YouTube page. You would see video on how to change your fingerprint. Watch that video and learn how to change your fingerprint. All right, so ensure you change your fingerprint, clear the browsing history, clear the cache file, clear all these things, because when you use a browser that already has history of HeyPiggy before and you're signing up on a new one, the chances of them banning your account is very high. Banning that reward is very, very high. That's the reason why we change fingerprint, we clear cache file, we use a fresh proxy on the account. If the particular proxy you have been using, if you use that for your previous HeyPiggy account, don't use that proxy for a new account again. When you want to start a new account, try to get a fresher proxy for a new account. The old proxy, let it be what you'll be using for your old account. That's why I recommend Jonas, because if you say you want to create 5 accounts, Jonas can give you the opportunity to create 5 fresh proxies on those accounts. You can save all those IPs and say, this is the IP for my account 1, account 2, account 3, account 4. That IP will be there forever until your subscription for Jonas expires. All right, so that's that about that, guys. It is very easy. HeyPig is a fast way to get to $5. And the truth is, for now, right, HeyPiggy is not very, very, very strict in terms of banning. It can be strict, it can become strict any moment from now. That's how they operate, all these survey platforms. They'll be good now, they'll tolerate whatever you're doing. You can make errors, you go scot free. But when they observe so much sign up, they'll become monsters. So enjoy it now that is calm, and you don't have to do US. There are lots of other countries you can opt in for. All right, lots of countries you can opt in for. So the second one I would implore the second one I would implore you guys to try out is what is just a second is GrabPoint. GrabPoint 2 is also very crazy. GrabPoint GrabPoint is also very crazy. It's also very, very crazy. So before you start it, ensure you take all the precautions I've said for HeyPiggy. Use a very clean and fresh proxy. Use a very good number. Use a very good, yes, this is a GrabPoint surveys, okay? You'll use a very good proxy, a clean proxy. Change your fingerprints using Mozilla, not Chrome. Go to Mozilla. Yes, go to this is it. So when you're signing up, don't sign up directly. Try to sign up from putting your email and your password. Don't sign up with Google, don't sign up with Gmail, because it's going to use that name, and if they ask you for name, you might most likely conflict the name. So that's that about it. These two surveys are very, very easy to get to threshold. Very easy to get to threshold. You can buy number and verify when they ask you for number verification. If you don't if you don't have number to use, you can message me, join the community, message me, send me a DM. I sell numbers for verification. And what else again? Yes, if you have Amazon pounds UK, Amazon USD cards, gift card, I also buy USD gift card. Okay, You can come with your gift card. I buy them USD Amazon gift card, and you have to be patient. You're gonna get your number within your money. It's just be patient, all right? So that's that about that, guys. So peace and love. I'm working on something that I will be dropping very, very soon. Just stay put. Enjoy yourself. Please don't get entitled to any update. I beg you. Don't get so entitled to it, right? You know. A lot of people know what I'm talking about, but don't get entitled. Anyone that is working, enjoy it while it lasts. If it goes sideways, move on to the next. There is no need for being entitled and being overprotective of anything. Peace and love, guys. I wish you guys all the very best. Survey is not for faint-hearted people. Survey is not for lazy people. Survey is for hardworking people, who are ready to put in the work, people who are ready to grind. Okay, people who are ready to keep fighting even though there'll be disappointment. You think it's going to be an easy road? It's never going to be an easy road, but you keep fighting it till you succeed.